Hola, feliz lunes. Hoy es lunes culto. We're in step 1A. So hopefully you're just watching this to figure out what to do. As I've always said for 1A, make sure you check the grade book. Make sure you're checking on the things that should be done up until this point before you start today's work. Okay, it's the 22nd. Es el 22 de febrero. Okay, so this is all that's in step 1A is this video. Step 1 today is the lunes culto video and the form. So it says here, click the link, click YouTube at the bottom of the video so it opens up in YouTube and you can turn on full screen and have the closed captionings in Spanish. Okay, and then make sure you back up. So I'll show you what that looks like. What you're trying to get from this is you need to have paper and pencil out, I would think, so you can jot down at least 4 classes and their times from what they say. So click on YouTube and then click on when it opens.
Mi horario de clases, por Profe Vargas.
Closed captioning, so they're on.
Hola, hoy vamos a hablar sobre las clases de la escuela.
And you can make it bigger too, but okay. So that is step 1. And again, you're going to complete the form by writing 4 classes in Spanish and the times of those classes. Write out the words in Spanish, okay? And then the feedback will tell you all of the classes, anything that would have been correct. So you can just kind of check your own, okay? It doesn't necessarily need to say that it was done correctly from Google. Step 2 is a reading. So read the page about Pepe and his schedule, okay? And then you're going to answer the questions. You can either print this and answer on the paper and then send me a pic of that, or you can just write it on a separate sheet of paper. Just taking a second so I can scroll down here. Answer in English 5 questions, and then find these sentences in there. There's 10 of them in the reading, and just write down what that sentence is from the first page. Okay, and then upload a picture of that. Okay, and then finally, it's maybe a little more not as difficult, I would say. And just to close it out here, this is a survey. So again, you can print this or you can just write on another paper and make it look kind of like this. I numbered them so that you could easily write your answers on another sheet of paper. So, mi clase favorita es. Me llamo, fill in the blank, soy estudiante. Mi escuela se llama, fill in the blank. I left room for 8 classes or so, depending on how many you have. So you don't have to fill all those in if you don't have that many, but some of you do have A and B classes. All right. So you got to figure out these sentences a little bit. I think you can do it. For example, rara vez hablo en la clase de. So I rarely speak in what class? That's just one example. That's kind of what these are. What's hard, what's easy, when do you get a lot of homework, things like that. So figure them out and put the correct answer for you in there. And again, that's going to get us closer to talking about the times of our classes, what classes you have, and something about each of them in Spanish for your video. And I updated I figured out our week, I guess. So our vocab quiz will be Friday. And then we'll have worked a couple days of the week on the video and prepping for that. So then that'll just be due on Monday. That'll be the Monday assignment, is to make sure your Flipgrid video is done. Okay? So that's that. We don't have that quiz as early as I thought. All right, bien. So 3 steps today: video, reading, and fill out the survey. Make sure you check your grades and everything too first. Gracias. Hasta martes.